In this video, you are going to learn how I made this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let me insert 3 pictures. Let me insert this one first. Click on Insert. Go to Crop and adjust its size like this. And click on Outside. You can easily adjust the visible area. Again, click on Crop and place it like this and place it over here. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and write here Japan. Change the font to lemon milk, make it bold, make it white fill color, make it center and increase the font size and place it like this. Again, select a text box and drag it over here and add some text here and keep it like this. Pick a text box, drag it over here and write here 3. Select it, change the font color, change the font to Anton and increase its size to 413. Go to shape format, go to text fill, make it no fill, go to text outline, make it white outline and increase it white to 3 point and select it and place it like this. Select all of this, press Ctrl G to group them together. Go to picture format, go to picture effect, go to shadow and select offset right. Click on right button, go to format picture, go to shadow and increase its size to 102 and make the blur to 3 point. Now select it, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this. Change the text from here and write here 2 and change this one and write here 1. If you click on over here and don't find the edit option of this text, just go to home, go to select, go to selection pane and here you will find the text box. Let me click on over here and write here London, then select this one, this is the text box, write here India. Now we need to change the picture. Click on the picture, click on right button, go to change picture, this device. Let me select this one. If you want to adjust it, click on crop and adjust it like this and this is perfect. Click on right button, go to change picture, this device, select the India. You can adjust it from the crop option like this and this is perfect. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle and drag it over here. Go to Shape Fill, select this fill color, click on right button, send it to back and add your text here. Add a text box and write here visit here. Select it, change the font color and change the font to Arial black. Increase the font size, place it like this. Now select this one and the text box, press Ctrl G to group them together. Now click on right button, make a duplicate slide, go the first slide, select all of this, go to picture format, go to align, click on align left, then place it like this outside of the slide. Now select the second slide, go to transition and apply morph. And let me watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe.